Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Iq.Wiki token. Ticker symbol is IQ. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, September 25th. We're going to go over the information on the IQ token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the IQ token is a cryptocurrency dedicated to building a more intelligent future through artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. The IQ token powers a knowledge ecosystem, including applications such as Iq.GPT, an artificial intelligence-powered search engine, and Iq.Wiki, the largest cryptocurrency and blockchain encyclopedia. The IQ token is a decentralized finance and governance token with IQ stakers, governors of the platform. The token is managed by BrainDAO, which holds a treasury of IQ tokens, stablecoins, blue chip NFTs, and other digital assets. So we'll go over what Iq.Wiki is in a second, but before we do that, this token just got listed today, September 25th at 6 a.m. UTC time on a central exchange called Bitmart. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search IQ, and then simply just buy the token. So the world's largest blockchain and crypto encyclopedia. And this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. There is a total supply here of 21 billion IQ tokens. Now their max total supply as of right now, according to their Etherscan, says 4,271,568,729.01 tokens. So obviously they had a lot of burns. It's a deflationary token. Started out as this number here on that Bitmart is saying here 21 billion, but right now it's at 4.27 billion. They almost have 2,000 holders right now. According to their Etherscan, they have 1,945 holders. Token price today is down 2.94%, which is, not much. That's kind of just staying even, basically. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a fully diluted market cap of $20,391,000. and a circulating supply market cap of $80,296,000. So, what is Iq.Wiki? Well, the IQ token, is integral to Iq.Wiki. IQ token holders who stake their tokens with the HIIQ staking system vote on governance decisions involving both the platform and the IQ token itself. After the beta period, Iq.Wiki plans on introducing high IQ Brain Pass NFTs for IQ stakers, which will provide several benefits, including the ability to edit on Iq.Wiki. So it's kind of like Wikipedia, and they have their Wikipedians who do the editing on Wikipedia. Basically, the The stakers, the Brain Pass NFT holders will probably get benefits, including the ability to change and edit on Iq.Wiki. Users will also be able to acquire the NFTs by purchasing them with IQ tokens. So in February 2023, Iq.Wiki became the first decentralized application to integrate artificial intelligence. Iq.Wiki integrated OpenAI's GPT-3 model for summarizing wiki articles. The AI integration allows large pages like the wiki of the Bored Apes Yacht Club to be summarized in seconds. In the blog post announcing the integration, the BrainDAO team shared some more information on the future of AI integrations. They also explained how the IQ token rewards could be used to build a system around training artificial intelligence, which would incentivize the testing and development of intelligence. So they also have here the whole blog post if you want to check that out. So the IQ token powers a knowledge ecosystem that includes decentralized apps such as Iq.Wiki. So on March 22nd, 2023, Iq.Wiki integrated GPT-4 in the blog post, and you can read that blog post as well from BrainDAO. So they have IQ-GPT, which is a blockchain-focused AI search engine developed by Iq.Wiki. As the world's first AI crypto search engine, it provides real-time, contextually relevant information within the blockchain domain. It caters to various use cases, including learning, development, and trading activities, with the ability to streamline research processes and filter out irrelevant data. The engine was launched 2023 and is powered by the IQ token. It pulls reliable data from a wide range of sources, including Iq.Wiki's content database, Associated Press, CoinGecko, Flywheel, CoinNest, and InvestHQ. So BrainDAO, the IQ token is managed by BrainDAO, which is governed by IQ stakers. The value of the IQ token is also backed by BrainDAO's treasury of IQ tokens, stablecoins, blue chip NFTs, and other assets. So you get the idea here. Looks like they're also listed on Frax Swap here, it says. And there's some more information about this token that you could read actually on an Iq.Wiki. If you just go over to Iq.Wiki, you can see a whole post regarding the IQ token. So they have their own Wikipedia, I guess it's not called Wikipedia, but Iq.Wiki page on the token specifically. So that's where you could find the information, and as well as many other articles about all sorts of different things on Iq.Wiki's webpage. So check that out, Iq.Wiki. Check this token out as of today on Bitmart. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day. Peace out.